Hey there, welcome to Mr. Magic. But before starting the video, sorry guys for this delayed upload. Although my exams are over, but I was busy in killing people all the day. But from now, I'll upload regular videos in my channel, so stay tuned. And if you are new to my channel, then click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. So let's continue to the video. So in this video, you will learn how to create your own face logo in picsart. I know there is another video in my channel with this same tutorial, but that video is without any voiceover. So I hope this video will help you more. At first, select the face of which you want to make the logo, and then click on the effects option. There are a lot of options in effects, but you will need to click on the colors and then click on the black and white and adjust the amount according to the face. And now save this photo to your gallery and choose another white background for next step. Or you can make this photo white like I am doing. Now by clicking on the add photos option, add the black and white photo on this white background. And then decorate the photo as much as you want, like I am adding 2 circles from the draw option. And now put your name under the logo from the text option. Adjust the font as you want, but keep the color black. So everything is done except the coloring. So now from the add photos option again, select any color splash photos you can download from Google, like I am adding this photo, and then from the blending option select screen and then adjust the photo in the background and then click on the tick mark. And now we just have to colorize the photo more. So for that, click on tools and then click on adjust, then decrease the brightness level and increase the contrast and saturation. So our face logo is ready. But before making your own face logo, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. So see you again in my next video.